At the very center of our galaxy, something massive is pulling on everything you've ever known. Every star in the Milky Way, every planet, even our sun, is orbiting something we cannot see. It's called Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole sitting 26,000 light-years away, quietly controlling the motion of over 100 billion stars. And despite its power, it's completely invisible. For decades, astronomers weren't even sure it existed. All they could see were stars near the galactic center, moving far too fast, orbiting something that wasn't there. Something with the mass of 4 million suns, packed into a region smaller than our solar system. That invisible gravity well was Sagittarius A star, a black hole so massive that space itself curves around it. Unlike the dramatic black holes you see in movies, Sagittarius A star is strangely calm. It isn't ripping stars apart every day, it isn't swallowing planets whole. Most of the time, it's quiet, dormant, almost peaceful. But don't let that fool you. If Sagittarius A star suddenly became active, the consequences would be unimaginable. As gas and dust fall toward it, they heat up, glowing in X-rays and radio waves. Jets of energy could shoot thousands of light-years into space. Entire regions of the galaxy could be reshaped. NASA and the Event Horizon Telescope didn't just guess this black hole was there, they proved it. By tracking individual stars orbiting something invisible, scientists mapped precise paths that could only be explained by a supermassive black hole. One star, known as S2, orbits Sagittarius A star at over 25 million kilometers per hour, completing a full orbit in just 16 years. For comparison, our sun takes 225 million years to orbit the galactic center. That speed tells us everything. Only something unimaginably dense could hold a star that close and moving that fast. But here's the part most people don't realize. Sagittarius A star is not some distant monster unrelated to us. Our entire existence is tied to it. Without it, the Milky Way would not be stable. Stars would drift, orbits would break, the galaxy itself could slowly unravel. In a strange way, this black hole is the reason the Milky Way exists in its current form, and yet it remains invisible. Black holes don't emit light, they don't glow, they don't reflect. What we see are the effects: warped light, accelerated stars, heated gas spiraling toward the event horizon. In 2022, humanity finally saw Sagittarius A star directly for the first time. Not the black hole itself, but its shadow, a dark silhouette against glowing matter, confirming decades of theory. That image wasn't just a picture, it was proof that at the heart of our galaxy lies a silent giant, bending space and time itself. And one final thought. Sagittarius A star isn't special because it's dangerous, it's special because it shows us how the universe really works. On the largest scales, gravity rules everything. Light bends, time slows, motion becomes warped. We are not drifting randomly through space. We are part of a massive cosmic system, locked in orbit around something we cannot see, something we will never escape. Something that has been there long before Earth existed and will remain long after we are gone. An invisible giant at the center of it all.